Hey, what's happening, guys? Let's take a look at the week. Today we have some wave loading on the back squat. I love this kind of loading for heavy stuff, kind of getting a series of light to heavy and light and then lighter again to heavier as you're going through. But up to 90%, so we're not looking for a 1 rep max today. On Monday, of course, 90% should not be something you're going to fail on. So keep that in mind as you're working through it. And then a very simple, nasty AMRAP today with the 2 kettlebell thruster. All right, clicking through. Let's look at Tuesday. Tomorrow is going to be pretty typical push-pull to get us started, more in the hypertrophy, muscle building type stuff, and then a fairly traditional, longer, medium-ish longer AMRAP. We'll save the movements for you when you get in here, but you'll see an Olympic weightlifting movement. Let's put it that way. But a pretty good one. But like I said, pretty standard CrossFit stuff tomorrow. Wednesday, we're going to remember 9/11 with a heroes workout. We'll kind of keep that in the bag for when you come in, but just be ready for that when you come in. Longer than we're usually doing during the week on Wednesday. Getting into Thursday, we're continuing with the front box squat and doing some dynamic jumping, putting that back in rotation again, some expressions of power there. And then we're looking at, we'll call it another typical CrossFit workout. We have 2 of the somewhat longer duration AMRAPs this week that we haven't done in a little while. We've been going a little shorter on some of the stuff. Some of it's been long, but we have 2 good ones this week in that medium-ish, longish range with some traditional CrossFit movements. I say that because we mix in a lot of GPP stuff as well, which is very valuable, but going back into some of this more traditional AMRAP, Metcon stuff, and there's definitely a purpose to this right now. Don't skip the accessory work. I'll tell you that this week. Some good stuff on the accessory work. Just looking at Thursdays, very, very good stuff in the accessory work. Keep that in mind. You shouldn't be skipping that stuff. Give yourself a chance to recover and then get after the recovery work. Even if you're not doing all of it, if you can only do half of it, it's still well worth it. All right, there's a reason it's there. And looking at Friday, we have some gymnastics work to get in there, and a shorter traditional rep scheme in CrossFit again, a shorter workout where we're going 2 longer ones, well 3 longer ones this week, and a shorter burner on Friday. So be ready for that. Should be a great week, guys. Thanks for everybody that came out to Billy Bogan's thing. It was awesome. We had great weather, great time for the workout, lots of money raised. I think the count right now is just over 400. So thanks again, guys, and we'll see you in the gym this week.